Today I'm actually baking and not cooking. I'm gonna combine two things from my youth. I'm gonna make, with a twist on something, pineapple upside down sweet potato pudding. Stay tuned. I'm actually gonna blend these and not grate them. And I know there's always a discussion, is it better blended or grated? To me, it makes no difference. I know that might be a long debate, which I'm not going to get into. My preference, to make my work easier, I'm going to blend those. What I did, I added 2 tablespoons of vanilla, a bit of rum, and 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to mix that in now, so I'll be back. So what we did here, we put 1.5 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/2 cup of cornmeal, a tablespoon of cornstarch, added a little bit of salt, I added some powdered ginger, ground nutmeg. I'm going to mix this along with some desiccated coconut. I'm going to mix this and then dump it into that. As you see, it's all mixed together. So I'm going to add some and mix it and then add the rest. It's all mixed together now, but I'm going to add some raisins to it. And I was told that what I should do, I should flour the raisins so they don't fall all to the bottom. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to mix this in for the raisins to go down. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to pour it on top of the cherries and pineapple. I'm going to try to level this out. All the containers all loaded, set. So I'm going to put it in the oven for rough at 350 degrees for about 1.5 to 2 hours. That's the skillet that I just dropped it out of, and this is the pineapple upside down potato pudding.